Good morning everyone, it's time for a new vlog and today we're going back into the city and we're shooting with two of my beautiful friends, Lynn and Ray. And I'm very much excited, but it's pretty early so I'm going to work a little bit and it really paid off to get up early because the view is really nice, like the clouds and the sunrise. If you've seen my previous vlogs, you know that I'm now self-employed, a freelancer, my own boss, all of that stuff, but that also means that I work a lot. And I work through the week and also have shoots on the weekends, which is fun, but also a lot of organization and stuff to do. So yeah, last week I shot with a brand and this weekend I'm shooting with two friends, which is fun. So yeah, it's always fun actually. Now I'm heading to the train station. I sent off some pictures for a client and I'm on my way to meet with Ray first, and Lynn will join us later because I'm going to shoot with Ray on her own, then with both of them, and then with Lynn on her own. So I'm super excited. Let's head to Hamburg. Why is shooting with friends so important? Because you can try out things that you usually don't do. For example, the mood board for the shooting is a little bit more untypical and not usual for me, so I'm gonna try out new things and I do challenge myself to shoot differently. For example, I want to shoot more in landscape mode because I really do shoot a lot in vertical, and that is sometimes really annoying when cropping in 4:5 ratio because I'm missing the sides. And basically I will have to hope for Photoshop and hope that it will work. So most of the time it does work, but it takes me more time to restore something that wasn't there. So my challenge for today is definitely shoot in landscape mode and try out different poses and something that is not happening on my typical shoots. And yeah, that's why you should be shooting with friends, because it allows you to evolve, learn something new, try out different things, and then take those into shootings with clients, you know? It's very important. There is my first victim of the day. And, so we're pretty much ready. I'm gonna put the Osmo in here and beautiful Ray is ready in her stunning dress. And she's already posing perfectly. So, see you in like 2 seconds and we're gonna start shooting. Alright, so we're done shooting. You didn't really see Lynn coming in, but she's here. We just had our 101 session.
Yes.
We're done right now. And yeah,
Very much fun.
I'm excited to go through the pictures, and Lynn is amazing. Ray was amazing as well. It was so much fun to shoot with them, and they're both very talented, so I didn't have to tell them much. I'm very excited for the pictures, so I'm gonna head home, maybe grab a coffee, because it's pretty cold. Guys, it's another squirrel. Can you see every vlog a squirrel? I promise you this. I mean, yes, I'm in the park, so it's no surprise, but still, it's not a given. Oh my god, I'm so close. Hello, little one. God, he's so cute. He's really cute. How long do you think will it take for the squirrels to accept me as one of them? Oh, it's so cute. I think he's hiding. Maybe I should bring nuts with me when vlogging. That would probably be smart. At least I could give them something for their time. Alright, I am almost home. I picked up some donuts in Halloween packaging because it's Halloween. By the time you see this, Halloween will be long over, but who cares? Donuts are always good. It was a lot of fun, and I'm so thankful to the two of them for doing this and to be so open for new things. And yeah, I'm gonna pretty much end this vlog here because I can only imagine how much footage I will have from shooting. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to subscribe or leave a comment. Are you into Squirrel Crew or not? How was your day, Did you enjoy? And you? Hello, fluff boy. Aww.